By the end of the video you will know about Pike push-up workout demo. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic guest on the show to demonstrate a Pike push-up workout that's perfect for targeting your upper chest muscles and triceps. So, let's dive right in. Maximize your gains with Dimetize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder, an optimum nutrition gold standard 100% whey protein powder with quality ingredients and delicious flavors. Fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. First, let's start by setting up for the exercise. To do this, position your elbows at about shoulder width apart on a bench or a stable surface. Whether it's an aerobic step or even a chair, make sure to engage your core and keep your body in a straight line throughout the entire movement. Now, with control, lower yourself down until your head touches the surface. Then, using momentum from your hips, press yourself back up to the starting position. Remember to control the movement and keep your body straight throughout. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. By incorporating this exercise into your routine, you'll notice significant improvements in muscle definition and strength in your upper chest area and triceps. So go ahead and give it a try. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this guest demo and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And of course, please stay active on our socials for updates on new workouts and fitness tips. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.